Hello, I am Miriam Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we'll be discussing the best trading signals available through Telegram channels. You will learn how to receive real-time trading ideas and leverage them effectively in your strategies. So, let's get started. Trading signals are pre-prepared recommendations from seasoned traders. These signals help you make decisions regarding the purchase or sale of assets. The advantage is that you can receive these signals directly through Telegram, quickly and effortlessly. Why use Telegram? Firstly, it's convenient. All signals are delivered straight to your phone. Secondly, many channels provide free information or offer trial periods. Which channels should you follow? Forex. CopyFX by Forex allows investors to copy the strategies of professional traders without having any prior trading experience. With a CopyFX investment account, investors can subscribe to a professional trader's account and mirror all their trades without delving into complex strategies or trading platforms. ForexSignals.io. This platform caters to both experienced and novice traders. It offers both paid and free versions. The free version provides signals that can make currency pair trading more profitable. Free channel subscribers can also view trading ideas that were broadcasted on the VIP channel in the previous week. FXPremier.com. This company has been providing trading signals since 2010. However, these signals are not generated by their internal analysts. FXPremier.com has partnered with over 50 signal providers, delivering their recommendations to subscribers. Now let's explore how to use trading signals from Telegram channels. First, download the Telegram app from the App Store or Google Play. Second, create a Telegram account. This takes less than 2 minutes. Third, subscribe to the signal provider's channel and enable notifications. To do this, enter the channel name in the app's search bar, then click subscribe. And that's it. You can now access signals around the clock. However, always remember, it's crucial to verify the information and not rely solely on signals. Trading is not just about following instructions, but involves analysis and strategy. To learn more about the best Forex signal providers, follow the link below this video and read the details on our webpage. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with new tips and strategies for successful trading. Good luck!